So hi guys, welcome to my vlog. It's Rexor J and welcome to my live. And today we're unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus in 256GB model in midnight black. Galaxy Note 10 Plus is a Quad HD dynamic AMOLED display with dual pixel autofocus, ultra wide 16 megapixel plus 12 plus depth vision camera, dual vision 10 megapixel front selfie camera, super fast charging, 256 gigabytes. Is it worth it to buy a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus? By the way, I'm currently using it right now, so yung laman po niya is wala na po siya guys. So usual typical stuff and the likes lang naman na siya. So this is the actual unit. This is the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus in midnight black. So ito po siya guys. How beautiful with the dynamic AMOLED display. So it runs with the Android 10. So about phone and then software information. So this is Android 10 with 2.1 UI. So guys, ang masasabi ko lang naman dito sa Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, so very worth it naman po siya bilhin as of now for today rather than with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, kasi may issue po yung S20 Ultra with their or its focusing ability, like dito kay kay Note 10 Plus, so wala po tayong focusing issue, cell autofocus. So to guys, you see the new dynamic AMOLED display. So if you like my videos, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, J Vlogs, and bye.